Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Nissan Maxima key fob. First, gather all the key fobs you want to program. Make sure all your vehicle's doors are closed and locked. Now, insert your key into the ignition and remove it 6 times within a 10-second period. This action prepares your car for programming. After performing the key insertion sequence, your hazard lights should flash twice, confirming that the vehicle is in programming mode. Next, insert the key back into the ignition and turn it to the ACC position. Within 5 seconds, press any button on the first key fob you wish to program. The hazard lights will flash again to confirm. If you have more key fobs to program, unlock and then lock all the doors using the power lock switch on the driver's door panel. Immediately after, press any button on the next key fob. The hazard lights will flash to confirm. Repeat this unlock, lock, and press sequence for every additional key fob you need to program. To exit programming mode, turn the key to the OFF position and remove it from the ignition. Then, unlock the driver's door using the power lock switch and open the door. This action signals the vehicle to save the new programming. Finally, test all your key fobs to ensure they lock, unlock, and function correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.